We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will unbox this INFINIX Hot 40i smartphone. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before I'm able to open the box, I need to get rid of this plastic film that encompasses it, so let's quickly do that. Now from the box we can see that this phone has the NFC capabilities, it has the 256 gigabytes of built-in internal storage, as well as combined 16 gigabytes of RAM. 8 of those are hardware RAM and 8 more gigabytes are probably some virtual RAM extension feature like RAM Plus or memory extension. It has the 90 Hz screen refresh rate. Well, I mean, you can probably switch this value between 60 and 90 at any time, but that's the top value that you'll get out of the display on this phone. It also has the 50 megapixels dual main camera and 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is, not too bad, actually pretty decent by modern standards, but I mean, in recent smartphones, it's not about the megapixel count, it's about the software that processes your pictures. And as far as I know, INFINIX is not very famous for their camera processing software, so you shouldn't expect too much from this camera. What else do we have here? The side-mounted fingerprint unlock. So unlike flagman phones, the fingerprint recognition sensor will not be built underneath the display. You will find it at the side, at the edge of your phone. Well, not edge, yeah, side is a better word. It supports the 18-watt fast charging, which is, not too fast if you ask me, but still pretty decent for a mid or low to mid-range phone. The octa-core chipset that they advertise as some gaming engine, 200% volume, so probably it has some cool sound or audio features built in, allowing you to get even a better volume from the built-in phone speakers. And as far as the usual specifications go, at the box, that will be about it. Now let's get it opened and see what we'll find inside, what accessories this smartphone comes with. So here is the phone itself. We also gotta take all the film off of it. I can be gentle and I can be not gentle. Yeah, it allows me to be gentle, so yeah, just take it like that. It is glued and it's not hard at all. That's what it looks like, guys, so take a look. From the back, it kinda resembles the iPhone camera layout. I think that's what they were shooting for with this layout, I guess, just to make it more appealing and more recognizable by using the very popular layout that pretty much anybody will recognize. Now let's try to power it on. Yep. Now let's see what accessories you'll get. So here you have the injection tool that will allow you to take out the SIM card tray out of your INFINIX. Let me show you actually. So let's open this bag. Take this injection tool out. Here is the tray. I hope you see it, guys. So slot it inside, then push it in, and then the SIM card tray is going to pop right out. And it also doubles as the SD card tray as well, so you can expand the storage on this phone. If you're concerned about, having not enough native storage, you can absolutely expand it. We have 2 slots for 2 SIM cards and 1 slot for the micro SD card as well. So, that's good to know. And as you can see, we have on the SIM card tray, we also have this great rubber band that kind of seals the inside of the phone, so it improves its water and moisture resistance in a way. So moving on, here we have some paperwork, obviously. you have the user manual as well, so should you have any questions or difficulties with setting up your phone, you can use this manual to help yourself, or you can just visit our YouTube channel, since we'll have all the videos that you'll ever need to configure and set it up. So if you need any help, just look for the video on our channel. That's also a good thing to have. You'll get the very generic but still a phone case nonetheless, which you can engulf your phone in and, well, increase its durability, keep it safe from scratches, from some marks probably, and just the feel of this rubber phone case, the grip is way better with it. So yeah, I would recommend that you use it, but if not, you do you, as you wish. Then you'll also get the power brick, the power adapter. Let me see what specification it has. So the input range is between 100 and 240 volts, 50/60 hertz refresh rate, 0.6 amperes. Not sure how this physical unit is spelled, or not spelled, pronounced correctly in English, so excuse me guys. And the output is 5 volts to 2.4 amperes, or 7.5 volts to 2.4 amperes also, and 18 watts max, but we saw that on the packaging. So since they advertise this charger as fast one, you'll obviously also get the Type-C charging wire, so USB, regular USB 3.0, 2.0, not sure to be honest, to Type-C, and which is a rarity nowadays, you also get the wired earbuds, or earphones rather, headphones in the packaging, in the box kit as well. That's what the headphone looks like. You also have this, how would you, remote? No, it's not the remote, like the thing that allows you to play and pause the tracks. So I cannot vouch for its quality or the sound that it produces, but well, I mean, it's also always nice to get something extra from the box, doesn't it? And well, as far as the box kit accessories and the overall completation goes, that'll be it, guys. So, well, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Bye-bye!